What they do is what they did is what they have to do, and then
going interdisciplinary.
Listening about lasers, neuroscientists, learning about lasers.
I know that was a bit crazy, but I think it is always like that. If you want to do something interdisciplinary, you need to have the courage to jump into the deep end. What do you think would be needed to mimic basic information processing in the brain and to realize that in laser and optical systems?
But what kind of task would you have in mind?
Well, for example, sensory information processing or decision problems.
Most important thing about the institute, I think, is the attitude of the researchers here. We scientists work because of an intellectual challenge, and an intellectual challenge requires motivation, and motivation means curiosity, and means to look around and not to continue doing what you've been doing for the past year. So looking for new fields, looking for new ideas, looking for new concepts.
But what happens when you go out to a conference of linguistics? They say, they know that you are a quantum mechanics, to be a person working in quantum mechanics. I mean, it's a very hard. I am working in questions like big data, the analysis of questions like Twitter, telephone, and things like that for mobility or location of people. How do you think that we can use that for linguistics and analysis of linguistics?
Well, I think this is a very good opportunity because we can build big corpora which are treated in an automatic way. Every linguistic change behind there is kind of social change.
Okay.
So, and this is also a change between us, right?
Yeah,
because before we didn't collaborate, and now we are working together.
We organize our work is in a transversal line of research on complex systems. And from there, we transfer knowledge to different cross-disciplinary fields.
I like very much our slogan, Connecting Science, because I think the connections between different parts of science is what really makes science to advance. I am convinced that the methods we use in some part of science, for example in physics, can be used with success in other parts, for example in biology or in the social science. For example, we try to understand problems in biology or in social science with the methods of physics, and I think we are doing interesting contributions to that.
Talk about some keywords that we might have in this topic. One of the keywords could be, for instance, synchronization,
quantum correlations,
coactive phenomena,
emergent phenomena,
interaction,
universal,
many units,
entanglement, discord,
absence of a director, absence of somebody who really directs all the other systems.
Spontaneous synchronization,
Which would be spontaneous,
entrainment, on the other hand.
Another topic which is very important at IFISC and is also related to connectivity is that of network. Network theory is an important part of our research. We try to make models in which the different systems are modeled by the interactions between them. We construct networks that represent the interactions between individuals in social networks, or we make models of the connections between different parts of the brain in neuroscience, or we make also networks that represent the connectivity, genetic connectivity between different places of the sea.
In the next presentation, I'm going to show the movies of the optical system in the context of ecology. Let's see if anyone realizes of that.
In ecology?
Is this one of these plants?
Yes, you can find them in the beach almost along the year, in autumn and winter.
What is this exactly? Because the plants are this.
Yes, these are the leaves that dry, and then the waves that bring them to the shore.
That's great.
Yes, very nice.
besides our work on basic research, we also feel it is important to train new students in the field of complex systems. We offer them the opportunity to join us in our different research activities, and what we want them is to have a complete knowledge of what a complex system is, have a complete knowledge how research in complex systems is done.